Hey guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to diagnose Lenovo E470 button issue. As you can see, it's stuck at the Lenovo logo, so make sure you watch this video till the end to fix this problem. And right now we're gonna take out the memory, because sometimes might be the memory that needs to be replaced and issue fix. And leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. So by so doing, I'm going to take out the back panel, just slide it down to pull it out. As soon as you pull it out, alright, just slide it down. Once you take out the 3 screws attached to the back panel, take out the battery. We're going to take out the battery right now. Alright, you just have to be careful when taking out components on a laptop like this. Alright, on any laptop, just be very careful when taking out components. So we're gonna take out the battery, remove the battery, because we had to take out the battery before taking out any component. Make sure you take out your battery before you can take out any component on your laptop, alright, computer. So the power need to be out first, don't forget that. So we're gonna pull out the battery. Alright, good. And I'm gonna take out the memory now to replace it with a next memory. Hopefully this fix the issue. Alright, so just slice the notches that is holding down the memory, as you can see. Good. Alright, so we're gonna replace a memory now and put in back the battery, and then turn on the computer to see if this issue fixed. Hopefully it fixes issue. Alright, so we're gonna power it up and then boot from a flash drive, a USB flash drive, in order to fix. Sometimes it is the OS that is corrupt. Just need to fix from a operating system, any operating system that you have. So hopefully, good, we can boot on a boot menu. Good, that's it. So hope this video helps, and look forward to see you on my next video.